Howdy folks, welcome to another Five9 tip. This tip is specifically for two types of people, the union of two types of people. The first type are Mac users. This is going to be completely irrelevant for Windows users. The second type of person is going to be the OG VCC admin user. I run that Java app all the time. I prefer it over the virtualized version that's in admin console. Nothing against that. If you use that, you do you. I'm going to do me though. So if you want to run that and you're running macOS Sequoia, you're going to find out real quick. I mean, we all know this, right? Apple likes to protect us from ourselves. And that's fine until they start making it too hard, which they've done here. Now, macOS for a long time has wanted to bark at you when you've tried to run unsigned apps, which this JNLP that runs VCC admin, it is an unsigned app. Sequoia's taken it to a whole new level. You have to really jump through hoops to run VCC admin in Sequoia, but I'm about to show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and download the app, and then you'll want to go ahead and run it, and you're going to get this message right here. It says domain admin not opened, Apple could not verify, it's free of malware. It makes it sound worse than it is because it makes it sound like, oh, we might have found something in this, but the truth is it's just not signed. Now, if you ever forget these steps, you can actually click on this question mark right here, and it'll explain how you can bypass this. But it's really going into the settings app and going into privacy and security, just like I'm about to do. And you're not going to see it yet, but you should as soon as I click on done here. So I click on done and it says, oh, domain admin was blocked to protect your Mac. Apple cannot verify. It's the same story, right? What you want to do is first of all, we trust Five9, right? So any app that comes from Five9 should be okay. It should be free of malware. So we're going to go ahead and do open anyway. And it's going to say, oh, are you sure? There's more are you sure's on this than you get out of Windows. But I'll go ahead and click on open anyway. And then it's going to ask me for my password. And this is the local password on your machine. It's not your Apple password. It's not your iCloud password or anything. It's just your local login password. So I'll go ahead and click OK. And at that point, it will go ahead and pop open and run the VCC admin. How about that? So if you're running macOS Sequoia and you've had trouble getting this to run and you've been banging your head against a wall like I did for the first few times I tried to run it until I thought, I wonder what happens if I click on that question mark. Then now you know how to do it. Go ahead and like this if this was helpful to you, and go ahead and subscribe if you want to get more tips on Five9 like this. For now, I'll just say until next time. Bye.